Good morning all, Josh Denbeaux, consumer attorney in New Jersey. So I'm here outside, which is nice, it's a nice day, but I'm outside shooting video because inside my adult children with whom I am cooped up in this house for an unknown period of time are running around playing music that I don't understand. It makes me feel very old, but they're good kids. But here, the video today is not about my children or their music, but it's about foreclosure, and it's about the best way to approach a foreclosure case. And it's about one fact that you don't hear other places, which is the goal of every foreclosure case from the defense side is to sue the bank and the bank's attorney in federal court. I know you don't hear that anywhere else. Everywhere else, it's let's do a modification, let's do a bankruptcy. Those are tools that we can use, but the goal is to be the plaintiff. Can we do that in every case? Of course not. We can only do that in cases in which the bank or the bank's attorney makes a significant mistake. And there are multiple different federal statutes to be able to use. But the one we're going to talk about today is the one that shows up on the infographic that we posted elsewhere on different videos, and it'll be in the comments below. And that's the infographic on foreclosure. If you look on the right side, you see a discovery period and a RESPA investigation period. RESPA is the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act. It is the federal statute that governs how mortgage servicers must behave and treat consumers. Banks make mistakes all the time with this. If you're the person who had a modification but a new servicer came in and breached it, you have a potential RESPA claim. If a servicer declined to pay the appropriate amount of taxes and billed you the wrong amount, you have a potential RESPA claim. If a mortgage servicer returned a payment even though you made it on time and was appropriate in amount, you have a potential RESPA claim, and the list goes on and on and on and on and on. But it's a federal statute, and it's extremely complex, and it's not something anybody should do on their own, and it's not something anybody should try to do and try to handle unless they're working with an attorney who is experienced in federal court and understands the industry and the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act inside, upside down, and backwards. And once you find that person, like me, like Ira Metric down in Central Jersey, like Javier Marino of Denbeaux, who works out of my office for Denbeaux, not in my firm. We are basically the three attorneys in the state who know this area of the law. You need to chase down all potential claims during the foreclosure review through the RESPA analysis. And I'm going to go through in more detail what a RESPA analysis is. But the point that I want everyone to take away from is this. You're not alone, and if the bank has screwed up your mortgage servicing, you have been wronged, and you have a right to bring claims against the bank and maybe their attorney too for those mistakes. When we can build that case, that's when we end up seeing results that are extraordinarily beneficial to the client and to their attorney. All right, everybody, stay strong. I hope this provides some insight, some hope, some feelings of empowerment. We're in this together. We'll get out of this together. Later.